praise to the Lord above me. I got to give him all the praise. Because without him, I wouldn't be here. And I told y'all, I'm not here just by any
welcome
coincidence.
to another day in my life. Today's Monday. Yeah, so another week actually in my life, it's just another week documenting my journey, documenting where I am in my trading journey, also fitness and spirituality, but mostly trading. So yeah, today it's another week. So I just placed a gold trade, a gold sell, which is looking bad. It's looking bad right now, especially for my live account. So yeah, I'm just gonna put that over there. Right now I'm still feeding my dogs. Oh, and by the way, he's back. He's a little badass. He's back. And then I gotta feed Ruga's, not Ruga, man. Breeze is bad. No, Breeze is not actually bad at all. So yeah, I'll just tap back with y'all when I hit stop loss, because clearly that's what's gonna happen. No. Okay. Yeah, so there's no one in the house, so I can talk loud. But the YouTube hands. I'm not doing the YouTube hands. I forgot. So right now, I just put my daughter to sleep, and I hit SL like a long time ago. But also, like, I saw why, because the way I trade, bro, it's based on market structure, and I've realized that there's certain parts of structures, like, let's say right now, let me see how cool I can get my editing game. Let me see if I can put like some form of graphic thingy over here, like, so when price goes up, like we're in an uptrend, and then you buy above the breakout, chances are that your trade is gonna hit stop loss. And that's what I did unknowingly, but then it's more complex, because right now I was in a daily selling zone, mind you. No. Yeah, I was in a daily selling zone, and then it reacted, and then structure changed, and then what happened is it broke structure on the 2-hour time frame, and then it also broke structure internally on the 2-hour time frame as well. So then in my head I'm thinking, like, okay, since it broke structure internally, it's probably just gonna go up. Gandhi, it still has. I did not keep in mind that, and that's something that I was back testing, so I'm very disappointed in myself right now. But anyways, man, yeah, so there's specific parts of, like, the market structure cycle that you don't want to be trading in. Like, you don't want to, if you're in an uptrend, you don't want to buy after the breakout. You want to just wait for the pullback, because I'm trading the 2-hour time frame anyway, and then I'm waiting for the pullback on the 15-minute time frame anyways. So it just lines up. And then same thing when you are selling, once it comes beneath the breakout zone, which is basically like the point where you mark off BOS. That's what I mean by breakout point. So yeah, just a little something. And I should really do like a video on how I trade, so that you guys can like know. But I have this concept of like turning it into like an anime thing, and I'm getting good at editing too, and I'm starting to like it. So anyways, now I'm gonna just work out, man. Do my push-ups. Yesterday I swear I did like over 300 like leg workouts, and it's crazy because I expected it to hurt a lot and it didn't. So I'm about to do my workout now. Okay, man. So that was my exercise done for the day. Well, not for the day, but that was my first workout. I mean, for like recording purposes. And actually, I'm thinking about starting to post like workout content too, like individually by itself, along with the trading stuff. But anyways, man, yo, I'm tired. But I don't know what happened today, bro. Somebody has to explain this to me, bro. Like, I don't know why, but it seems like when I work out, right, there are days where like I can do like crazy reps. Then there are days where like it's crazy because I usually do way more than that without feeling this tired. But today I'm like, what the hell is going on? I can barely hold this phone up right now. So yeah, man, I'll check you guys tomorrow. Okay, so now you saw where I got that from. And then you, let's just say for hypothetically, that you want to enter from there, and keep in mind, let's say price, we don't have this, and your chart looks like this.
That's a 15-minute chart, bro.
Yeah, that's a 15-minute chart. And then you just put your limit order there. Then once it gets here, it will just execute the trade.
Okay.
So let me show you an example. We just place a dummy trade now. Let's say, and with the limit order now, when it's above price like this, it's a sell limit. Then once it goes down, it's a buy limit, like you see. So let's say we wanna sell there. You can see still like right there, it's still a limit. It says placed, but we still, it's gonna turn into an order once it gets there. Now why doesn't it when I get there?
What's going on?
Okay, let me make it a bit closer. Let's just put it there. Like, this thing better not go up. I don't have patience for this. But this thing is like having such a weird pattern.
For me, it's actually weird, bro. Yeah, now it's
But the thing is now, like once you know what's happening on the higher time frame, like you see there, it entered the trade. You see there, like it entered the trade. So, but let's close it because we were just testing. Yes, but you saw now, like the point I was trying to make about the way the limit order works. Yeah. So let me break down today's analysis now. And TradingView MT5 does not have volume profiles now.
okay.
So keep that in mind. Yay! So you see, first things first, we have that breakout structure that I've been showing you for the past weeks now.
Yeah.
And then right there was like a volume profile somewhere there.
Yeah.
So I knew that the likelihood is that it's going down. And then I went down to the 2-hour time frame. Where is it?
The draw.
Oh, there. You see, oh, it's different brokers, but on my TradingView, there was like a breakout here. And then so what I did, the reason why I took a loss now was because I didn't see that it broke out here because I was busy. And then I just looked at the 15-minute time frame and this is what it looked like at the time. Like it looked like this. So what I did was place my limit order. I think it was somewhere like right there, and then my stop loss was here in the bill. And then what happened? So I'm thinking it's just gonna come here and then like go there, then go down. Then keep in mind that on the 2-hour time frame there was a breakout, and we don't buy after a breakout. We wait for it to come down, then we start selling. But you get the point. The point is, like, after it breaks out, you are looking for the opposite of what the breakout is. So if the breakout is a sell, you waited for it to first buy, then gives you confirmation, then sell. Just like here, which is exactly what it did. You see, it came up here, and then there was a volume profile somewhere there, and then it broke out. Then at this point, we would have just placed our limit order. It would have been somewhere here, and then our stop loss at the previous high, and then it came, but it did not touch our stop loss. So that means profit.
Okay.
But is it getting a bit slower now? Like when you are hearing the daily time frame now, because in everything we do, we have three types of trades now. We have a reversal, we have a confirmation, and then we have a continuation. Yeah, the reversal. Yeah. So keep in mind that when I say a reversal, that means. So welcome to another day. Today is Tuesday. So yeah, just doing my thing. And I had a crazy idea for a video. Hopefully I can execute this. And I wanna do it and then put it out and see what happens. If people like it or stuff like that. But it's really easy to execute for me personally, because in terms of editing, but I genuinely believe I got the skills to pay the bills when it comes to editing. So anyways, man, trading wise, I'm just waiting for a setup right now. I'm seeing something on gold, but I don't trust it. So we'll see how I maneuver around that. So I just want to see what's happening. Yeah, so right now I'm about to just do my thing, and then I'm gonna tap in with you guys a little bit later. When I say volume profiles, I just crazy, bro. Let me just put the screenshot of the chart right now. That's not a trade yet. I'm still waiting for. Obviously, I don't just use. One thing that I've learned from forming my own strategy from things that I learned from YouTube is that nothing on its own works. You need to use a confluence of things, because let's say I only use volume profile. How would I know where to place the volume profiles in the first place? Because I need structure in order to place the volume profiles. So yeah, but that rejection is just crazy, because it rejected it to the pip, bro. Nah, I think I'm getting way more confident in it the more I see it, And you remember I showed you this last week's video as well. So yeah, man, I'll tap back in when I get a trade or when I don't. Okay, so quick little update. Since I'm not doing anything anyway, so I thought I should record. What was I gonna say? Well, I didn't actually have anything particularly to say, but we are out here at the vet again. So this nigga I didn't actually update you guys on this nigga's situation because you remember last time we came here, he was sick. I'm not gonna cue the video because I don't think I have the video. This is just gonna finish space on my phone. Plus, I have it on YouTube anyway, so why would I keep it? So I just keep like videos that I really like. So yeah. But anyways, man, markets wise, it's looking very good. Well, not looking very good, but I don't have a trade yet, and I've learned to start having this mentality of as long as I'm not losing money, I'm okay. And even when I do lose money, there's a certain way to lose money that's acceptable, like that's within risk management parameters. Yeah, so that's pretty much the update. And I was just having a conversation with two people that I'm teaching how to trade, my friends. And there was like a very good conversation. We were just speaking on like the future and how it's gonna be, not just from a dreamy perspective, but more so from a strategic standpoint of like our goals and what we want to achieve and how we want to be, especially with regards to trading too. So that was like a dope conversation too. But anyways, man, I don't know why I picked up this camera because I have nothing to say. So yeah, come on. Okay, man. So I'm at home right now, and I entered a trade, a German 40 trade. I'm not sure whether I did the clip telling you all that or not, but either way, here I am doing it regardless. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So let me put the screenshot there and then we'll see how that goes. I'm actually gonna go check on it now because I've not checked. Oh, and I made a mistake on it. Bro, I should really start meditating again, bro, because I noticed like I'm not as focused anymore because that trade I was supposed to enter at a volume profile that's a bit higher, but then I just couldn't like see what was happening because I was busy. So I think I need to focus and make the main thing the main thing. Hey, where you going?
Hey, Mrs. Johnson.
Hey, Mrs. P.
Miss P? Miss Paris? The Paris?
P is for Papa Dog. His surname. I knew you were gonna. What's funny?
Hey, Mrs. Johnson.
Where you going? Where you going? Okay, man. Welcome to another day in my life. I'm out here. So I'm still in yesterday's GR40 trade. And it's still in profit. It never went to drawdown like for too long. But yeah, I'm just gonna see how that pans out today. And then but for today I've just been hella busy doing dumbass things for my uncle as usual. But no, it's all good though. Yeah. Check your bros later. Okay, so I made a decision to close yesterday's trade. Because I just felt like weird about it, and so I was like, let me just close it. Then I closed it for like 0.5%, which is what I risk anyways, so that's not a big deal. So I'm just gonna now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna analyze my pairs the same way I always do, then trade from today, because I just felt like I needed like a fresh start for today, because mentally I don't think I was gonna be able to carry that trade over.
Okay, so I'm not trading today. I changed my mind. Like, I don't feel like trading today. One, that's the first reason. I don't feel like it. And then two, I already took too many losses this week. I mean, like, it doesn't reflect on my P&L though, but because it's good risk management and stuff, but mentally it's getting to me. However, the week got to me mentally, so it's good to be mindful and understand that, because see, days like this are usually days that save me a lot of money in terms of like money that I could have lost. Yeah, so for this week I'm about to call it quits. And then another thing, okay, what else did I want to say? There's something else that I wanted to say. I'm editing a video, like a market structure video, but I'm gonna try and make it like animated and stuff, and that's a whole lot of work. I can't film and be thinking about that at the same time. And also, like, my phone has limits, and I'll be pushing this phone to the limits. So yeah, for this week, man, I'm out. Whatever this video looks like is whatever the hell this video looks like, because I don't think this week I didn't actually put in a whole lot of effort into like my video. I think Monday I came in a little bit hyped, but then Tuesday the momentum died out. I think Wednesdays were like, yesterday was where I really gave up, because I was supposed to exercise on Tuesday, then I skipped, and then I was supposed to exercise yesterday, then I skipped, and today I'm supposed to exercise. I'll see if I do it or not, but I'll see you bros next week.